The front, side, and bottom faces of rectangular solid. It's your brick, right? I'm sure you guys have seen a brick lying around the homes. Rectangular prism. That's the length, that's the width, and that's the height. Correct? That's the height. And what is he saying? The front, which means whose measurements are the L and the H, it has an area of 24. That means L times H is equals to 24. And then the side, whose attributes are H and the W, which means W and the H is 8. And then the bottom. Bottom is again a rectangle which is invisible here, but whose measurements are L and W. So L times W is 3. Correct? What is the volume of the solid in cubic centimeters? What is the volume formula of a rectangular solid? Base area, which is length times width, times the height. So that is the base area times the height. So that's the volume. Correct, everyone? But how do I guess the values of L, W, and H? Right? How do I guess? So here is a trick. Multiply all the left-hand sides together. Multiply all the right-hand sides together. L times H times W times H times L times W. So that means I see two L's. So I can write L times L as L square. And I see two W's. And I can write as a W squared. And then I see two H. So H squared. Got it? And then I see 24. And then 8 times 3 is also 24. Correct? So 24 squared. Can I say that, all of you? Is that making sense, Amma? Those who missed it.
Yeah.
And I want just LWH, but I have a square on top of every variable here. So what do? Square root on both sides. Square root, square root, square root. So what is left? L times W times H is equals to 24. That's your answer.